All right, so this crypto is a financial technology infrastructure crypto. It is a BlackRock partner, very thoroughly working with BlackRock. Very, very good company to invest your money into if you want it to grow. It will tokenize these different companies, BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, and Apollo. It will use USDC, USDT, and PayPal USD for payments. So it looks like it's going to be using stable coins as a way to onboard every business infrastructure to bring them onto the blockchain. So transitioning them from cash to stablecoin, and then obviously tokenizing the assets on the blockchain. So very simple. Just got a 3-process order, moving money from stablecoin to tokenizing assets. Its interoperability crypto will be Chainlink. We've talked about Chainlink. Chainlink will be able to go across different networks to make transactions happen for them based on if certain cryptos within their token, when they are tokenized, when this crypto is tokenized, where they can use Chainlink to transition a currency, a cryptocurrency, from another currency that's a totally different asset. So they're used in different ways. So that means that it needs to have a interoperability technology, which is Chainlink. It will use Wormhole and Layer 0 as its cross-chain finance. So we've talked about Wormhole. Layer 0 is in everything with BlackRock, as well as Wormhole. Consumer applications will be for payments, gaming, rewards, tickets, and digital assets. So those are some of the areas it's going to touch on to work with consumers. Its transaction process looks like traditional financial assets, tokenized assets, and then it goes to, it's moved to its crypto token, which I will tell you in a second. And then it's moved stable coins to DeFi and exchanges, and finally businesses, investors, and consumers. So that order works from front to back and back to front. So wherever you're starting off at, if you're starting off as a business, it will move into exchanges and DeFi, which is on applications for the market trading it, and then trading it will go to stable coins, and then the stable coin will move into its token that it uses. So there you go. And then once it's onboarded, it's tokenized. So like I said earlier, and then right now it's whether you're moving from at crypto and moving it back to cash, or you're moving it from cash to tokenized assets in crypto. So it could either work one way or the other based on if you're already in crypto or if you need to move it to crypto. So that's how it will work. And then finally, the website for this particular cryptocurrency is aptosnetwork.com. And you can purchase Aptos on Kraken for 58 cents. Little expensive, guys. But I think this is going to use stable coins. I mean, it's connected with USDT and USDC and PayPal stablecoin. So it's going to be a middleman for consumers that are going to be the 99% of people that are going to come on to the blockchain and crypto. So it's going to transition their dollar to the stablecoin, and then their stablecoin to this particular token, which will then tokenize the value of it. So the process is pretty simple, and they're partnered with BlackRock, Apollo, and Franklin Templeton. Franklin Templeton also has a stablecoin called Benji, BENJI. I don't really think you guys need to be investing into stablecoins. I think stablecoin is just a middleman if you're moving your current dollar to the stablecoin and then your stablecoin to a crypto. And that would be for like if you were a major financial company. Um, for investment companies, I think that would be ideal. So anyway, hopefully that was just a quick rundown of how Aptos is going to work. I think it's going to be a good company. Obviously, it's got all the main players. And again, it's going to specialize in bringing your traditional financial people and people that are into maybe financial planning, retirement planning, any kind of planning to stabilize people's assets will move with this crypto, and it'll move from their cash to stablecoin and their stablecoin to Aptos, and their Aptos crypto will be tokenized. So there you go. I mean, it's pretty plain and simple. You have the partners it's working with, so you know it's gonna do well. And I think that's pretty much covers it. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so and like the video. Definitely share it with people that are more experienced crypto users. I don't think this is a taking a chance crypto. I don't think any of the BlackRock partner cryptos are taking a chance. I think they already know they're going to work. So pretty much I think you can count on those working. So definitely, if you're into cryptocurrency and you've been in it for a while, I think you'll know that if you look into Aptos, you'll find all the major points where you'd want to invest with them. Thank you again, guys. Appreciate your time and have a great rest of your day.